Hi students, in this short video I want to teach you how to use this thinking block modeling tool. Okay, we use this tool to do our project. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is our project, and then let me just copy the sentence over here, and then we will use it in our tools. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is the work area of our tools, and then this is the toolbar over here with buttons over here. Then you need to know what is the function of each button. So if you do not know, please click this question mark over here. This is the help button, and then you can see, I can read. This one should be very straightforward, right? And then you have the next button over here, the next arrow over here. Then you can see the next page, right, of the help, and then go back again to the previous page. And then okay, let's just start with this tool. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to activate the story over here. So how to activate, you just click this button. Okay, if you want to hide it, you just click again, and then it is hidden. Yeah, so you click one time, you show and hide, yeah, so it's just like on off. Okay, so you just make it on, and then you paste the story that you have, Ctrl V, or you make the selection, Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V over here. Yeah, so this is the story of our model. And then as you can see over here, there were 2 types of food that I bought for my pet. Each month I need to buy 4 bags of food A and 5 bags of food B, and spend $73 in total for the food. The price of food A was $28 in total. So as you can see over here, we only have 2 items over here. So you see, right, the food A, and then we have the food B, and then there's nothing else. Okay, there's no other item. So let's just try to make this model. Okay, first you need to know is this one. This is the label. Yeah, so if you click the label now, and then you can see I can drag it over here. So, yeah, and then I click it again one time, and then I label it with my with the item, which is food A, and then I have another item which is food B. Let me just drag it over here. Yeah, so this is a food B. So you can see, right, item correspond to the label. Okay, and then the value or the other things, yeah, information about the items, you can see from the bar. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do is to drag the bar. Okay, so suppose this one, yeah, like for food A, you need 4 bags of food. So suppose, let me just make it longer. Now for this bar, I think you can change the color also. Yeah, so if you want to change the color, you just click this button, and then you just click it, and then you change the color. Suppose I change it to green, and then 4 bags of food A. So if I want to make it shorter, rather than just copy it one by one, I just make it make the bar into 4 parts. Okay, so you can see over here, this is 4 parts. Yeah, now I can resize the bar. Suppose I just resize it like this. Okay, so this one, you have 4 bags of food A, and then food B, I just need to drag again food B. Suppose I just make it like this. Now I don't know about the bar. Yes, which should this one be longer or what? Later, let's just see. Okay, yeah, so but let's just change the color first. Let's change the color, and then we make it into 5 parts. Wait, I need to click the button first. Yeah, change. Nah, this one is 5 parts. Okay, so I do not know either food A is more expensive or food B is more expensive. I don't know yet, right? But this is what I can do. Or I think they need to change the color first. Okay, sorry, I just changed to red, suppose. Now, and then the other information that I know about is this one. I spent $73 in total. So I need to make a bracket, a vertical bracket. So I click the bracket to the bracket over here, and then as I drag it over here, as you can see, this one is a horizontal bracket. So to make it become a vertical bracket, we just need to click the bracket. You click the bracket, and then as you can see, can do it like this, and then drag $73. Okay, this is $73. Okay, so then the other information that we know is the price of food A was $28 in total. So this one, the food A in total is $28. So I just click the bracket again one more time. This one, now this one is the horizontal bracket. So yeah, this is the horizontal bracket, and then you just click, and then this one you just, yeah, this one is $28. So you just click again, change it to $28. Now I think I can move the whole thing over here. Yeah, I can also write down the $28 over here if I want, but okay, for this example, I think it just use the the horizontal bracket with the number over there. Yeah, so I can write down the whole total over here on the right hand side of the bar, but for this example, let me just use this horizontal bracket. And then what I need to do here, you see, I need some space over here, right? So I think I just need to move the whole thing over here. So what I need to do is I make selection, click, hold it, and drag it, and then I just move my selection over here, right? Now suppose I think I need to have more space over here, right? Because I need to know the price of each for the food A. So if I can see over here, yeah, let me just show you, right, what is the price of food A, what is the amount spent on food B, and then what is the price of each bag of food B. So let's just write down the ABC. Okay, yeah, let's just write down the ABC. Now let's go back to the tools over here. I think I need to move it. Now let me do it. Yeah, so this one, about the food A, question A, I'm sorry. Yeah, this one is question A. What is the price of each bag of food A? Yeah, so this one, question A, just put it like that. Okay, and then question B, if I see it over here, what is the amount spent on food B, right, the total amount. And then later question C is each bag of food B. Okay, so let's do it over here, right? So the total of food B, right, the total of food B, okay, I think let me just move it a bit here. The total of food B, yeah, I make it like this. Yeah, just now I have said, right, I can put the number or the question over here, also the number. And then this was question B, sorry, I need this one, question B, and then I need also the price of each of food B. So it's just like this, you see, I just make it like this. Yeah, drag it again, this one, question B. Now question C, I'm sorry, this is question C. Now I think I need to rearrange this model again. I think I need to move it up. Yeah, I move it up, and then I need to rearrange the vertical bracket over here. Then let me move the number also. Nah, and then I can see everything here now. So this one, I have question A, question B, question C. Now how to do, just to make sure, yeah, so I think you need to do your calculation on your the file, on the Microsoft Word file, or on paper. It's up to you, right? You can print your project, and then you can do it. And then as you can see over here, I think this one we need to decide, right, either this one is longer or shorter, right? You see, right, for food A, I need to have I use two small squares, right, as the length of the one bar. Now I need to decide if I use the same length or longer. It should have longer length. So you see, this one is 28, right? 28, I think divide by 4 to solve this one. I get $7, about $7 each, right? And then you see this one, the total over here, right? I have 73. I have this part for the food A, and then I part for the food B. Now, so if I just subtract this 73 with 28, and then I can see, right, this one, the result for the B is about 40. It's about 45 now, 45, and then I can decide if I divide by 5, it should be about $9. So I think I need to resize this food B, right? Because the price for each of the food B is $9. Is more expensive compared to food A. So I just need to make sure that each part of the food B must be longer than the food A. So you see, I try to resize the bar. Yeah, so you see, I have the 2.5 over here. I think it should be enough because the food A is only 2 square. Yeah, so this one, let me just rearrange it just to make sure that it's just the same. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Now I hope you can see this. Now this one, I think I'm done with my model over here. Yeah. Okay, this is all. I have finished with my model. Please do the calculation. Just make sure that your calculation is match this model. Okay, and then later what you need to do is you just need to take the screenshot of this model and then paste it into your Microsoft Word file. I will show it to you in the next video. Okay, thank you, students.